everyone, today I am drawing a super cute puppy. Let's draw. First I am drawing ears. Now, I am drawing head. And the eyes. Nose. And mouth. Now, I am drawing its legs. Dogs are my favorite animals. Do you like dogs? Now, let's draw its body. And its tail. I am making the outline dark. Color time. Black. Brown. Orange.
A tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it, and on the way I
Light brown.
dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.